It all begins where the cocoa pods first grow. Each pod is carefully cut by hand to protect the precious beans inside.
Slowly, the harvest is brought together for the next step. Inside every pod lies the raw heart of chocolate. Careful sorting ensures only the healthiest beans move forward.
Here, natural fermentation begins to unlock their flavor.
Over days, the beans transform through heat and patience.
Drying locks in the aroma that chocolate is known for.
Only when the moisture is just right do the beans move on.
The harvest is complete, and the journey to the factory is about to begin. The harvest is complete, and the journey to the factory is about to begin. From the fields, the beans are guided carefully toward their destination.
Every load is secured to withstand the journey ahead.
Only once inspected does the transport officially begin.
These beans now take the long road to the factory.
Kilometer after kilometer, the journey continues. Soon, the beans will enter the heart of production.
This is where raw harvests become refined ingredients.
Every shipment is logged and tracked from the moment it arrives.
From here, the beans move one step closer to production.
Now the journey continues inside the factory walls.
From the outside world, the beans now cross into controlled production.
What once traveled far now becomes part of a precise workflow.
Every motion is deliberate, minimizing impact on the beans.
Here, the shipment is verified before entering the main facility.
Precise weight measurements ensure consistent batch processing.
Tracking follows every pallet from the moment it arrives.
Beyond these doors lies the true beginning of transformation. Strict sanitation keeps the process safe and consistent. The beans are now inside the heart of the factory environment.
From here, the beans will begin their first stage of refinement.
The first step inside the factory is to remove anything that doesn't belong.
Sieving separates the beans from the debris gathered during harvest.
Even the smallest trace of metal is carefully removed. Airflow removes what vibration alone cannot.
Experienced eyes ensure only quality beans move to roasting.
Anything outside the specification is removed and recorded.
Moisture is monitored to guarantee safe and uniform roasting.
Once prepared, the beans wait in holding until the roasters are ready.
Automation maintains a steady, reliable feed into production.
With cleaning complete, the beans are ready for the true beginning of chocolate making. Inside the roaster, heat begins revealing the beans' true character.
Temperature and timing are controlled to the exact degree.
As the beans roast, their rich chocolate notes begin to emerge.
Experienced hands confirm the roast is developing exactly as planned. Rapid cooling locks in the flavor created by heat. One last cleaning stage ensures only pure roasted beans remain. Cracking prepares the beans for the separation of shell from nib. Airflow divides the inedible husk from the valuable cocoa nibs.
These nibs are the concentrated core of chocolate flavor.
Now the nibs are ready to be ground into the liquid essence of chocolate.
Under intense pressure, solid nibs become a flowing cocoa mass. Gentle heat keeps the liquor in motion before separation.
The liquor is divided into cocoa butter and compressed cocoa solids.
These pieces will soon become the cocoa powder used worldwide.
Precision milling creates uniform cocoa powder for consistent recipes. This cocoa butter becomes the rich, silky base of chocolate.
Measured ingredients are prepared with absolute precision. Blending begins the journey from raw paste to smooth chocolate. Each pass through the rollers polishes the texture to near perfection.
In the conched, flavor develops and the chocolate becomes truly smooth.
Advanced controls keep every batch identical, hour after hour.
From here, the chocolate moves seamlessly through the system. Even now, purity and consistency are checked automatically.
From here, the entire production flow is managed in real time.
Precise cooling forms the stable structure chocolate is known for. Sensors confirm the chocolate meets every technical requirement.
Automation routes each batch exactly where it needs to go.
Even the cleaning is automated to protect quality and hygiene.
Now the chocolate is ready to take its finished form. From here, the chocolate is portioned with exact precision.
Every cavity receives just the right amount of chocolate.
A precise vibration ensures each bar is perfectly solid.
Inside the tunnel, the chocolate slowly sets into its final shape.
Cooled and crystallized, each bar now holds its structure.
Automation ensures every bar is released gently and intact.
Each bar is aligned, trimmed, and visually inspected.
Exact positioning prepares the chocolate for flawless wrapping. A final clean pass ensures pristine presentation.
Now each finished bar is ready for inspection and protection.
Every bar is screened to ensure nothing unwanted remains inside.
Accurate weight ensures fairness and consistency in every product. High-resolution imaging confirms visual quality at factory speed. From the line, random samples are tested in controlled conditions.
Every result is recorded and traceable to its exact batch.
Mechanical testing confirms the chocolate's structure and feel.
With quality confirmed, the chocolate is ready to be packed and shipped.
Protective wrapping seals in freshness and preserves the chocolate's aroma.
Branded sleeves give each bar its final identity.
Automation packs each order with care and repeatable precision.
Every carton is sealed, traced, and recorded before leaving the line.
From production, the chocolate now waits in climate-controlled storage.
When orders arrive, each pallet is traced and prepared for shipment.
Secured and protected, the finished chocolate is ready for delivery. And this is how modern factories produce chocolate from start to finish.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.